Understanding the role of a big truck wreck attorney, your guide to seeking legal assistance. Introduction. Accidents involving big trucks can be catastrophic, causing severe injuries, property damage, and emotional trauma. If you or a loved one have been involved in a big truck wreck, it's crucial to understand your rights and options. This is where a skilled big truck wreck attorney comes into play. In this article, we will delve into the essential aspects of hiring a big truck wreck attorney and why it's essential for your case. The importance of a big truck wreck attorney when it comes to accident involving big trucks. The legal landscape can be complex and challenging to navigate. A big truck wreck attorney specializes in this area of law and possesses the knowledge, experience, and resources necessary to handle such cases effectively. These attorneys understand the intricacies of state and federal legislation that govern the trucking industry, giving them a unique advantage when building a strong case on your behalf. Expertise in investigating the accident. One of the primary responsibilities of a big truck wreck attorney is to conduct a thorough investigation into the accident. This involves gathering evidence, analyzing accident reports, interviewing witnesses, and even collaborating with the accident reconstruction reports experts. By reconstructing the sequence of events leading to the accident, your attorney can establish liability and help determine who should be held accountable for the damages. Determining liability. Proving liability in a big truck wreck cases can be challenging due to the numerous parties involved, including truck drivers, trucking companies, manufacturers, and even government entities responsible for maintaining roadways. A skilled big truck wreck attorney understands the nuances of these cases and can identify all potential liable parties. This ensures that your legal team can pursue a comprehensive and effective legal strategy to maximize your chances of a successful outcome. Negotiating with insurance companies. Dealing with insurance companies after a big truck wreck can be daunting. These companies often have teams of legal experts working to minimize their financial liability. Having a knowledgeable attorney on your side levels the playing field. Your attorney can handle negotiations with insurance companies, advocating for a fair settlement that covers medical expenses, property damage, lost wages, and emotional distress. Litigation and trial experience. Many personal injury cases are settled outside the court. There are instances where litigation becomes necessary. A seasoned big truck wreck attorney is prepared to take your case to trial if a fair settlement cannot be reached through negotiation. With the trial experience and legal acumen, they can present a compelling case in front of a judge and jury, fighting for your rights and fair compensation. Compassionate support. Beyond the legal expertise, a reputable big truck attorney understands the emotional toll that such accidents can have on victims and their families. They provide compassionate support throughout the legal process, helping you navigate the complexities of the case while offering guidance and reassurance. Accidents involving big trucks can lead to devastating consequences, and seeking legal assistance from a skilled big truck wreck attorney is essential to ensure your rights are protected. From investigating the accident to negotiating with insurance companies and pursuing legal action, these attorneys play a crucial role in helping you secure the compensation you deserve. If you or someone you know have been involved in a big truck wreck, don't hesitate to consult with a qualified attorney who specializes in this field. Your well-being and future deserve nothing less. Understanding the role, the legal process and compensation. Navigating the legal process after a big truck wreck can be overwhelming, especially when dealing with medical bills, property damage, and emotional distress. A big truck wreck attorney will guide you through each step of process, ensuring you understand your rights and options. They will help you gather the necessary evidence, document your injuries, and build a solid case that establishes the extent of your damages. expert witnesses, and resources. Big truck wreck cases often require expert witnesses to provide insight into complex technical, medical, or industry-related aspects of the accident. A skilled attorney has access to a network of reputable experts who can testify on your behalf. Whether it's a medical profession explaining the extent of your injuries, or a trucking industry specialist discussing safety regulations, these experts bolster your case's credibility and increase the likelihood of a favorable outcome. Statute of limitation. It's important to note that there is a time limit, known as the statute of limitation, within which you must file a legal claim for a big truck wreck. This deadline varies by jurisdiction and can influence by factors such as extent of injuries, property damage, and other circumstances. A big truck wreck attorney is well versed in these time limitations and will ensure that your claim is filed within the appropriate time frame to preserve your right to seek compensation. Contingency fees. One of the advantages of hiring a big truck wreck attorney is that they often work on a contingency fee basis. This means you don't need to worry about upfront legal fees. Instead, your attorney will only receive payment if they successfully secure compensation on your behalf. This arrangement not only makes legal representation more accessible but also aligns the attorney's interest with your goal to achieving the best possible outcome. Maximizing compensation. While financial compensation cannot erase the trauma caused by big truck wreck, it can help alleviate some of the burdens associated with medical bills, rehabilitation costs, lost wages, and emotional distress. A skilled big truck wreck attorney knows how to calculate the full extent of your damages, including both economic and non-economic losses. They will strive to ensure you receive the maximum compensation you deserve, taking into account past, present, and future impacts of the accident on your life. Final thought. Being involved in a big truck wreck can be life-altering experience, but you don't have to face the aftermath alone. A dedicated big truck wreck attorney possesses the legal expertise, resources, and determination necessary to guide you through the complexities of the legal process. From investigating the accident of negotiating with insurance companies and, if necessary, litigation in court, these attorneys are committed to protecting your rights and securing the compensation you need to rebuild your life. If you or your loved one have been affected by a big truck wreck, don't hesitate to reach out to an experienced attorney who can provide support and legal representation you deserve. Your future well-being is worth every effort in pursuing justice.